Welcome to SQL 06. Today we are going to see about the set operators. So set operator, it is nothing but combining of the two table with having same structures. And here I have taken the two tables, that is customer 1 and customer 2. I have taken the two tables. In the two table, when we see that in the attributes, that all the attribute it should be the same in the set operator. Okay, that is the data type should be match from the both the tables, then only we can combine the two tables. Okay, and we have that these operator and all is present in the set operators. First, union it removes a duplicate, and when we see that union all, it will not remove the any duplicate values. And intersect, it will give that common records, and minus, so it is like that subtracting a minus b or b minus a, like that we can get it. Now we see that practically how that set operator it is moving. Before that, just have theoretically have shown that how the set operator is working. So just you how we are writing query mean customer 1 union customer 2. So see here we are not getting any duplicate values, we are not getting. But when we see here union all, we are getting the duplicate values, that is 10 and 11 it is presented here. Okay, one more 10 and 11 it is presented. Okay, but when we see this union here, 10 and 11 presented it one times only, but here 10 and 11 it is presented two times, it is presented. See here 10 and 11 it is presented two times is presented. So that is difference between union and union all. Union remove the duplicate, and union all it will not remove the duplicate, it will present. Intersect, common record we it is getting. So here two record it is common record. Okay, and minus, we know that how the minus is work. A minus b, that is customer 1 minus customer 2 means we it is subtracting that data, and we are getting that these record and all in that output for the customer 1 minus customer 2. Now we see that practically have the created two tables, that is customer 01 and customer 02 have created. Now see how we are writing that query for the set operator. First I have taken that first table, select star from customer 01. Okay, union select a star from customer 02. Okay, just execute it and see here we are getting the total number of the record, it is 8 rows we are getting. And also see here the data it fetched for the 8 rows in how many seconds mean 0.004 second. Just take this second only, 0.004 seconds. Okay, it is taking. Okay, now we can execute that union all. Just copy this statement and paste it here. Instead of the union, in union all, we know that union it will remove the duplicate values, but union all it will not remove the duplicate values, it will present data from the both the tables. See here we are getting the 10 and 12 here, it is presented from that customers 01 table, and one more time the 10 and 11 it is presented for the customer 02 table, that is it is fetches the duplicate record, it is fetching. But when we executing that union all statement, here the it will fetch the 10 rows in how many seconds means 0.003 seconds. 0.003 seconds it is fetching the data. So that is the response time it is less here, that union or it is not sorting that any of the query tables. But when we see that union, the response time it is higher because it sort the data for our output. So now see that intersector. Okay, so intersector it is also same how we are writing that union and union all statement. Just instead of using that union all, just intersector. Okay, now just select it and run it. we know that intersect it will give that common record from the both the tables we are getting. So that's the reason we are getting the common records. And also the same for that minus also. Here to combine the to both the tables use the minus operator. So with help of the minus we are getting that 12, 13, 14. That is it is subtracting that from the customer 1 minus from the customer 2. So see here in customers 0, 1 table 10 and 11 it is both are having, so that's the reason it is minusing, and left of the data we are getting for that customer 1 minus customer 2. Okay, now 12, 13, 14 we got it. So this way we can know about that set operators. So today we saw that set operator we having that four operated it is present, union and union all. When we see that union it will fetch us only distinct record only it is presented, that is it will present that only unique value it will present. When we see that union on it will present that duplicate also, but response time it will see means the union all it is better performance, but when we see that union it will take the time to execute the queries because it will sort the data, then only the result we can get it. So the response time it will be high, it will take time. When we see that union all response time it is less. And intersect, intersect means it will take that common record from the both the table. When we see that minus, so it is like that minus subtracting customer 1 minus customer 2, so it is just subtract the data and the result will get it. So this way we can use a set operator. In upcoming session we will see the some other SQL parts. Thank you. Do subscribe.